Let's learn sea animal alphabets. A. A is for angelfish.
Angelfish.
B. B is for blue tang.
Blue tang.
C. C is for crab.
Crab.
D. D is for dolphin.
Dolphin.
E. E is for eel.
Eel.
F. F is for flounder.
Flounder.
G. G is for giant squid.
Giant squid.
H. H is for hammerhead shark.
Hammerhead shark.
I. I is for iravedi.
Iravedi.
J. J is for jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
K. K is for killer whale.
Killer whale.
L. L is for lobster.
Lobster.
M. M is for Mauritiidal.
Mauritiidal.
N. N is for narwhal.
Narwhal.
O. O is for octopus.
Octopus.
P. P is for pufferfish.
Pufferfish.
Q. Q is for queen conch.
Queen conch.
R. R is for rabbitfish.
Rabbitfish.
S. S is for seahorse.
Seahorse.
T. T is for turtle.
Turtle.
U. U is for unicorn fish.
Unicorn fish.
V. V is for viper fish.
Viper fish.
W. W is for whale.
Whale.
X. X is for X-ray fish.
X-ray fish.
Y. Y is for yellow tang.
Yellow tang.
Z. Z for zebra shark.
Zebra shark.
Thanks for watching, kids. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.
Bye bye, goodies.